white tag and pink tag. This
Okay.
one is
the deepest beach. Got no words, but
Fuji. I love mackerel. It's so yummy.
Okay. Carbonara.
Right.
Add Mentaiko. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So nice.
Side will open. JB16. The doors on the right side will open. Chigaya. JB15. The doors on the right side.
내가 딱 그쯤에 갔을 때 됐거든. 야, 내가 왜 이쁘게 나온 줄 알아?
Really good.
Oh, so cool.
Wow, pretty.
So pretty.
Wow.
I wonder which one is our block.
So we're staying at one of these, yeah. Nice. Snow. Nice. Magical. Hotel's so nice.
Can you give me some light, please? I actually can't see.
Alright. Mount Fuji. Beautiful. Being up on a mountain comes with a real sense of zen. It helps to have a beautiful day, perfect weather, a nice cool breeze with a beautiful spring melting snow. And Mount Fuji, picturesque up there in the background. All this zen, my mind clearing. But there's one thing that always will stay. It's always on my mind. And it's more reoccurring in a beautiful place like this because it's my love for cinema that keeps bubbling up to the surface when I see such beautiful, picturesque images everywhere. Oh, that sound. You don't get that where I'm from in Melbourne. You just don't. You'll get hail storms randomly. But this, just the sound's so beautiful. I mean, even from a film perspective, you can't even imagine how good this is. Like technically. Because in film you have sound and vision, but the sounds here are serene, perfect for recording audio. I'm just mic'd up and the filmmaker in me is just like, this is amazing. Sound, vision, everything. Gotta take a photo over there. For me, being out here has got me thinking about a style of cinema that I love, slow cinema. It's a kind of filmmaking that is more enjoyed and appreciated in the film festival circuit and with world cinema independent film movements and critics. Slow cinema is a movement where the film takes its time In a conventional film, you'll have editing where every cut is designed to force the audience into feeling like the narrative is moving forward. Sometimes that is true, but sometimes it is just there to keep you entertained or keep your attention from not waning somewhere else. Whereas slow cinema invites you to take in everything through the use of long takes and long duration. With slow cinema, a take can go for 10 minutes without a cut. Sometimes it can go for an hour without a cut in a slow cinema film. And also the runtimes. A conventional film has a 90 to sometimes 2 to 3 hour runtime, and 3 hours is already long, but in the slow cinema, films can go for 10 hours, like Lav Diaz, a Filipino filmmaker who makes these wonderful epic tales of his home country and the suffering and the pain of the Philippines. Films like Century of Birthing by Lav Diaz, 6 hours, considered a short film by him. But you have Evolution of a Filipino Family, which is 10 hours long. And that film is a 10-hour film that not only uses the formatting of long takes, but it changes medium as the film goes on, starting with 16mm all the way to digital to signify a long transitional period and the filmmaker's own journey too. This here, this Zen, I want to come out here and make a movie. If I wasn't just on a holiday or a trip, I'd be out there with a cast and crew making a movie. Because it's so cinematic and so beautiful. And again, I had that beautiful moment last night when I was drinking and I was fully in it. And my mind and my body disassociated. And I passed out and I had a dream. Oh, so good. Dreams of mountains and rivers and lakes. And me in all that emptiness with a cast and a crew filming, making a movie. That may never happen because making films is a really long process. I mean, when I did my slow cinema film, The Neon Across the Ocean, which premiered at the 43rd Sao Paulo International Film Festival, which was a film which had a 90-minute runtime, shot across the Philippines and Australia, but it also employed long takes and pacing that made the audience understand the young girl in the film, the character, her coming-of-age story as a Filipino-Australian with a father, an absent father. I really wanted the audience to understand that feeling of emptiness and loneliness, the same kind of feeling that I had when I was growing up. But yeah. I really feel there is a parallel with the vlogging genre. Like, there are people like Life of Riza out there doing a kind of slow form vlogging or meditative vlogging, I guess. I'm not sure if it's if they're inspired by films like, you know, Lav Diaz's films or some of these types of films like Simon Lang's films. I'm not sure if Life of Riza is inspired by their style of filmmaking, but yeah, there's a little bit of that going on in the vlogging genre. And I really like that shift in narrative. It's quite beautiful to see. Wow. I initially started this in a long take, but I really thought, you know, it's just so beautiful out there. Let me just reset the camera here. Okay, let's do this. Wow, that's magic. So today, this vlog, I just wanted to show some beautiful images, things that my eyes have seen from my perspective, just around beautiful things. I wanted that today because in my heart there is this slow cinema film. In fact, I'm actually working on a 5-hour film that I've shot a bunch of footage for, but I'm not sure how it's going to end or how the film comes together. But I have filmed a movie that is 5 hours long, and I wanted to do a bit of a vlog today that kind of gave a taste of that tone that I would be going for one day when that film is completed. Yeah. So I don't know if we can take much further meaning from today's vlog, but beautiful images have the power and ability to make one zen, and in a fast-paced world where everyone is trying to grab your attention, I think sometimes that is the most beautiful thing. When something can just sit and be comfortable in its own skin. Because of my ADHD, I really understand that. And I struggle with it all the time, being able to sit comfortably in my own skin. Which probably explains why I love the genre of slow cinema so much, because for a moment in time I'm able to really just sit there and see something on the screen that reflects what I aspire to be, what I wish I could be, calm and peaceful. And maybe my films might never be that way, even though I try so hard to make that kind of film, but we can only try. So thank you. And I'm gonna step out because that's beautiful out there. Look at that. Look up there, beautiful.